Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, and I want to talk to you about prompt design when it comes to using OpenAI or ChatGPT. What I mean by prompt design is what you're telling AI to do in order for you to get an accurate response, or rather than saying accurate, a response that you would like to see back from AI, right? So something that sounds like you, something that's written in a way that you would write. Now, the more information and tasks and steps you include in one prompt when you're writing into AI like ChatGPT or OpenAI, the less accurate the content might be that comes back to you. And so what I'm going to show you right here, I'm sharing my screen in the playground of OpenAI. I want to show you what the prompts I gave look like so that we can get really specific with the information that we want AI to give back to us to then put into a blog that sounds like something I would write, that's maybe in my head right now, right? But I just can't get it onto paper. So what I started with here is I asked AI to write a blog post that follows the format of this outline, and I gave it a very specific outline. I'm asking for an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. And I just give a quick sentence of what should be included in each of those sections, right? Okay, so in the green is what AI gives back to me. So I get an introduction, I get a body, and I get a conclusion. Now, all of these things sound great, but I can elaborate on this. So this goes back into the design of your prompts. We start with an outline. Now let's get more specific. So the next thing I'm asking AI to do is add to the body paragraph why Interact is the best quiz maker to use. And here you go. I get a little paragraph on why that's the case. But let's put some facts in there, right? Like maybe you want to back that up with a statistic. So again, I'm getting more specific with what I want to include in this blog. Include a statistic on the above paragraph. Again, I get the statistic that's more compelling as to why somebody would want to use an Interact quiz as a lead magnet, which is the intention of this blog post that I'm writing here. Now I have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Everything is stated. I'm providing some statistics. Let's title each of those sections. So the next prompt that I'm asking AI to do is to write a title for each of those sections. So you can see as I'm getting information back from AI, I can change up or get really intentional with the prompts that I give it next so that this blog post turns into something that I'm truly excited about publishing and that really sounds like me.